Hey everybody, this is Dave from Growing the Home Garden. I am showing you right here a box of milkweed seeds that I've collected. And they're from our property. There's a ton of milkweed over here. And of course, if you didn't know, milkweed is one of those host plants that the monarch butterfly caterpillars need to eat. So you got to have this around in order for them to continue their migrations. They go in about 7 different segments up through North America down to South America. And, it's real important to provide a food source for them along the way so that when they land, they can lay their eggs, and the the little caterpillars eat away and then become butterflies and then continue the next leg of the journey. And that's a little oversimplified, but that's pretty much what happens. And I'll show you here, the milkweed seeds, of course, have this fuzz and stuff on them, and the seeds down here at the very bottom, little brown parts. And this is just designed so it gets caught in the wind and it spreads around. So all I've done here is I've gathered up the dried ones. You can see a couple of the green ones. Those were not quite ready yet. And I put them in a cardboard box. I'll probably keep them in the box for probably a week or so. Let some of these bugs get out of here. There's some milkweed bugs in there. And once I've done that, I'll take them and put them in little seed packets and stuff like that. So, afterward, you can plant them in the spring, or I could even let them go out right now and let them kind of overwinter, and they'll germinate in the spring. You got to be careful with the green ones. The ones that are not quite ripe, when you pull them off, sometimes there will be some milky sap, and that will irritate your skin, so you need to be careful of that and wear some gloves when you're doing this. And these are the seed pods here, and you can see that they're just starting to open up, and that's probably the ideal time to actually get them. So there you go. And that's what you need if you want to have monarch butterflies around. And you can enjoy them just by having the plants out there. You can order seed from online and all kinds of places, but if you've got a natural source of them locally, why not go locally, pick up a few and plant them out so that you can help contribute to the migration of the monarchs. Anyway, that's Dave from Growing the Home Garden. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and follow along. Have a great day. Bye.